Oh my god, I just got off work, just changed. I'm so tired right now. We got these random ass wheels in the front and these dirty ass dungs and this this really cool guy in the Miata. We're about to go pick up some merch. Oh my. This feels, hello. This feels foreign to me vlogging. I haven't vlogged in a long time.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We've got to go get some merch that will be funding the FD Revival Fund.
Yes. Yeah. There's a lot that needs to be done with the FD, and I want to make sure that the motor lasts at least 20,000 miles this time. So I'm gonna try to dump some money into it in terms of like seals and
20,000 miles, dude.
Yeah. The FD will not be a daily anymore.
Damn.
So I mean, it never should have been, just because of the gas mileage. It just shouldn't be like.
Yeah.
But that's not what broke it. I was just beating the shit out of it. So.
Yeah.
I need something like a Miata or something like a daily, you know.
Like a 240.
We're now walking. The trio has now met up at the place where they said come pick it up, and I don't know if they're even open right now. Oh, they are? Okay. We're now just walking through the facility.
Welcome to our new facility. We just purchased this. We've been expanding.
Yep. We just bought this entire.
Eric's jobs are doing really well.
Yeah, I just bought this whole place, man. Bought all these blanks. Pretty cool. No one's here right now.
We're expanding drastically.
It's crazy.
Where's our stuff though?
Look at our manager Griffin right there. So official. Look at him working right now. Look at all these boxes, bro. This Tesla's turning into the Tesla cargo. The Tesla Tacoma, bro.
Yeah, Eric, you can have one in your lap. I think we're good.
Yeah, I can carry one in my lap.
First thing to ever go in this front.
The one extra. I forgot there's a front because there's no engine in here.
Oh.
You might have to switch it out with like the brown ones.
Ain't no way.
They switch it out with the brown ones.
Is that too big?
Nope.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god. Griffin, your car's perfect for boxes, bro.
No!
Shove it. You
Shove
can
it.
shove it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Down like that?
Oh yeah.
Forced it in, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Forced it in.
What do you mean by that?
There we go. Guys, when it doesn't fit, just... Alright guys, so we got all the merch. I picked up a new jacket too from Griffin. And yeah, we're really pulling our weight. We have one box.
Yeah, the Miata's carrying one box right now, guys. Yeah. Ethan was only able to fit like the other 10 in the Tesla. So we had to pick up the slack.
Yeah,
So
he wasn't able to carry it all, so.
Yeah, so we had to help him out a little bit.
We had to help him out. We had to help little bro out.
Yeah, we had to.
Had to help out little bro in the Tesla. But yeah, as you guys saw, we use the frunk of the Tesla. Sometimes, I've never really had this problem, but when it doesn't fit, you just have to shove it in. Wait, no.
Make sure you're allowed.
You're allowed to do it.
And then.
Then put it in, cause the Tesla, it wasn't allowing at first, but. What was that? Is it okay? Huh?
Hello?
Hey.
Can you see me?
Bro, are you okay back there?
No, I can't see my right mirror.
It's alright, bro.
Is there anything over there? You gotta watch my blind spot.
Bro, you have cameras in your car.
Yeah, you'll be fine, bro.
Yeah, you'll be good,
I
bro.
don't know if I trust that. There's a lot of really high value and high quality stuff.
Yeah, there is some high quality stuff.
There's a lot of really high quality new Hashiria merch in there, bro.
Oh wait, did you just?
Huh?
Were you plugging it? No, you weren't plugging anything.
No, I hate it. I'm
Still-
not even doing it.
Still's fast with all the merch and the boxes in the Tesla. Unfair
Guys,
advantage.
I got a special for you. Once Ethan crashes the Tesla, we're actually gonna be selling some distressed, burned up T-shirts from the crash that actually came out of his burning Tesla. Yeah.
Once it catches on fire, inevitably, and just burns all of our merch down, except for the one box we have in the back.
the only preserved one's the one in the trunk.
It's the one that we're holding. Whoa, I know that guy. I recognize him. I'm actually riding with him today because we're going to meet today. We're going to meet So Fresh. I think we went. Well, we went last year, right? Or was it earlier this year?
You guys went last year, yeah.
No, we went to one.
I didn't go to the dyno one.
Oh no, okay, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Were you asking me if we went last
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Sorry, I was just in my car with windows.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. And the doors line up and they lock and everything?
Yeah, they don't close yet.
They don't close? Oh. Now heading out to the meet, we all have our clothing articles on because it's really cold outside. Got the jacket, flannel. Ethan is following us now. All right, guys, we are here, I think. Oh, yeah, we're definitely here.
Yeah, we're probably here.
We're at the meet. I see a couple cars. We're gonna go park in the general parking because we're not dynoing the car or anything. So unless we wanna. Nah, there's hella Honda guys here too. Got the gang parked up. Just the gang, just two of us today. Just the two with the banners and the new shirts. Nothing crazy. You guys can cop it 10/28 Friday, 3 p.m. Wait, 3 p.m. right?
Yeah, we got the new shirts on today,
Shit,
bro.
yeah, we're about to. Yeah, we actually got a collaboration with Dogfight and Bride. So yeah, that's in the future though. It's just a prototype.
Yeah.
But yeah, future probably in like a year, hopefully.
They don't know
Yeah,
yet.
they don't know either. It's a secret collab.
Stop the cap.
Dude, I'm about to leave a note for this guy, bro.
People did.
Really? No, that's an advisor, a business advisor.
He's a service advisor.
Dude, I should drop my business card. I advise you to sell me your Meisters.
Make custom business cards that just have like our email and say, I want to buy your wheels.
I want to be your wheels, low ball incorporated. Bro's about to offer right now. Bro's checking them out. I think these might be too weak for you though. Actually, no, they're pretty deep.
What you saying, bro?
Yeah, bro. I
What?
need at least 6
He has
lips.
he has over fenders.
Yeah, I need 6-inch
Yeah.
lips.
You need the big fatty lips.
I need the big boy.
Is that an R35? Oh my god. Yeah, I like R35. I'm a big fan of R35s. Is that a Lamborghini? Oh my god, is that an M3? Just kidding. There's an S13 right here with a whole Type X kit. But like a Type X like BN kit with OG Panasport wheels and an SR in it. I think. It's like clean. He painted it though.
Yeah.
Dude. That's a
6 supercharger.
Yeah,
dude.
this is a nice supercharger. Well, that thing is huge, man. It probably does whine. I need that. And he's got like all like nice couplers too, like ETS. Like these are expensive. I bought Amazon couplers. I mean, they worked, I think,
Yeah.
until it blew up. But like it worked. They worked for the 1 month I used it.
Couplers were good, bro.
They were good.
Did
bro.
you drive here, by the way?
One day I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have that one day. The R35. I'm gonna have it one day.
Oh my god, look at the interior.
Whoa, dude, it's probably.
It's like a Fiero,
What is that?
I think that might be more than you can afford, pal.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
I think so. I heard.
He has an S13 though.
Oh.
Yeah, remember I have the.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
20.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This sport is
It's worth more than that. It's gotta be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I've got like the D-Max fenders and everything.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
I just said that because I heard in this one movie. I don't know if you heard.
Oh, yeah,
of it.
no. Yeah.
It's just one like really obscure like movie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a pretty lame car.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Stage 66. We don't know what motor that is. Someone tell us if it's a K20 or an F20C.
Bro, the guy that drives this car,
Uh-huh.
every night he's up there delivering tofu on the
Oh,
mountain, bro.
shit.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And you seen it? You didn't get that from like a show or
Bro,
anything?
4 a.m.
Oh.
Headlights on my ass. Then I crashed out because he was too fast. And he slowed it off.
In the F13?
Yeah, bro.
Shit, bro. Alright guys, we just got some Cafe Rosalina. You guys don't know, been in the business for I believe 27 years.
You believe?
Just a guess.
I mean,
Just to
pretty good guess.
Just an educated guess. So we're now on the M3. Something I used to have, but
Can't fit in the Brides anymore.
hey!
You.
Pickle. All right, guys. So we are dropping the new merch drop. We have a ton of new items. We're all really excited for this. We finally figured out the international shipping for everyone that has been asking. We've been pelted with questions for the past, ever since the first drop. When do we do international? When do we do international? And we finally have it here. So we have the shirts, obviously, as you guys saw. We have the shirts right here. Wait, that's the old one.
Is it?
Yeah, that is the old one,
yeah.
bro. Bro's got the wrong merch drop on. It's okay though. It shows how OG it is. Got the international racing shirt on. I have the FD hoodie on. Yeah. FD hoodie on right there.
Wait,
you guys
lighting.
can see.
Hold
It's
up.
pretty sick.
Wait.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty dope. So, yeah, and then we have all the, we have a couple of the Hashiriya stickers right here. Probably put like 10 in there. Late nights as well. We have all new Hashiriya die cut slaps. These are also reflective, salvage title for all the boys that have wrecked the cars. And then we also have the red
glitter.
red glitter as well. And then we also have the stickers as well that we're gonna re-release for international shipping. Then we have the Toge runner shirts. So if you guys remember, we did a drop. Okay, the design's not here, but it's the ND Miata shirts. I'll probably pop a picture. We did it domestic. Now we're re-releasing them. We got some more for international shipping. So everyone that missed out on the US only can cop some if you guys want. We're also doing international shipping at a much discounted rate versus if we just did it ourselves through like PayPal. I know a lot of people were asking, but we're doing it through Shopify so we get the discounted rate so you guys get the lowest rates possible. That way you guys can save some money on shipping because we know how expensive it is to ship something 14 hours away. So, or 14 hours flight away.
It will still be more expensive than domestic.
Yeah,
but
obviously.
It's as best we can.
Yeah,
and
it's the best we can do. It's the best we can do and it'll work.
Can I say something real quick? So this is gonna be like the sickest drop we've ever done. So especially for international, we want to do like all the people that are international that didn't have a chance to get any of our previous stuff. You can pretty much get everything we've dropped. So like this, the ND shirts, we got more of these. So all the international boys, you can get one of those. We don't have the original FD shirt, but the FD hoodie is like better than that. The new international racing thing, of course, and then we still have all the peakers for all the international boys that weren't able to get the peakers. So this is like a big ass drop. So it's gonna be super sick. Also, guys, the one lucky viewer is gonna get their merch in the 326 power box right here. This is gonna show up at your front doorstep. We're gonna reach in here and fucking grab you a hoodie right in this big box. And that's a complete lie. We're not doing it. Dude, this is
Yeah. We can't afford to ship that, bro.
Yes.
$500 shipment, bro. Hey, unless someone's willing to pay for it.
No, I like that box.
Yeah, no, yeah, we actually like that. Box is a flex, so
Permanent fixture on a little
yeah,
bit.
it
I
is.
like
Okay.
that.
It's our house ornament. So, yeah. So, drop's gonna be going live 3 p.m. Pacific time. So you guys can convert that to whatever time zone you guys live in. But for all the U.S. people, 3 p.m. Pacific time, so 6 p.m. Eastern. What is it, like 5 p.m. Central? So, yeah, we'll be dropping it then. And so, yeah, stay on the lookout. We'll be posting the link to our website down below in the description. We'll also be posting on all the Instagrams and stuff, so make sure you guys follow them. Make sure you guys stay with the updates and stuff like that for any fire sales. And make sure, yeah, Ambassador Pickle's the ambassador of New Hashiriya. She's officially the ambassador, so be on the lookout. Now, right, Pickle. Okay, so... yeah, once again, guys, thank you so much. We worked really hard for all these designs and everything like that, and also sorting out the international shipping just for you guys. So there's a way for you guys to, I guess, not donate, but help out the channel and help us get more cars and stuff like that without just straight donations. Because that
FD fund.
Yeah, FD fund. It feels wrong to ask for donations. That this way, we can get something that represents us out to you guys. And you guys can support us and wear the stuff and flex, Loki. It's a big flex. These are good quality stuff. Look at that. One is spread with the Kakashi beaker. So yeah, it's not like gilded or anything. These are all like high quality.
Yeah, same as last time with custom neck tags and custom everything.
It's all good quality
It's
stuff.
all good. It's all good stuff.
Make sure of that.
Yes.
So.
Perfect. Anyways, thanks again, guys, and see you guys at 3 p.m. Pacific time or whatever time that is for you guys. Peace.